What if everything you've been told about protein is only half true, and the healthy foods you're relying on are actually slowing down your muscle growth? Think about this for a second. Two people can eat the exact same amount of protein every day, follow similar workouts, and yet, one builds muscle faster, recovers better, and looks noticeably stronger within just a few weeks. The difference isn't genetics, and it isn't supplements either. It comes down to one simple but overlooked factor: the type of protein they're eating. Because here's the reality that doesn't get talked about enough. Not all protein is equal, and some sources are far more effective at building muscle than others. In today's video, we're ranking the best protein sources for muscle growth, from the worst all the way to the absolute best, and by the end, you might completely rethink what's on your plate every single day. If your goal is to build muscle, get stronger, recover faster, or simply look more athletic, protein is the foundation of everything. It's what your body uses to repair muscle fibers after training and rebuild them stronger than before. But while most people understand that protein is important, they make a critical mistake. They focus entirely on how much protein they eat, while ignoring how effective that protein actually is. Think of it like building a house. You can use low-quality materials, or high-quality ones. Both might allow you to build something, but only one will give you real strength and durability. The same principle applies to your body. The quality of protein you consume directly affects how efficiently your muscles grow, how quickly you recover, and how consistent your progress is over time. That's why in this video, we're breaking everything down based on 4 key factors: amino acid profile, leucine content, digestion and absorption, and how practical each source is in a real-world diet. Starting at the bottom of the ranking, we have the lowest tier of protein sources. These are foods that technically contain protein, but they're far from ideal if your main goal is muscle growth. This includes things like nuts, seeds, and grains such as rice, wheat, and oats, along with some basic plant-based protein sources. Now, to be clear, these foods are not unhealthy. In fact, many of them are packed with fiber, vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats that are great for your overall health. However, when it comes specifically to building muscle, they fall short in several important ways. One of the biggest issues is that many of these proteins are incomplete, meaning they don't contain all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to effectively build muscle tissue. Even when they do contain all amino acids, the proportions are often not ideal for muscle growth. On top of that, these foods are typically low in leucine, which is the key amino acid responsible for triggering muscle protein synthesis, the process that actually builds new muscle. Another major limitation of these lower-tier protein sources is efficiency. To get a meaningful amount of protein from them, you often need to consume a large number of calories. For example, you would need to eat a much larger portion of nuts or grains just to match the protein content found in a relatively small serving of chicken or eggs. That also means you're consuming extra fats or carbohydrates that may not align with your goals, especially if you're trying to stay lean while building muscle. So while these foods absolutely have a place in a balanced and healthy diet, relying on them as your primary source of protein is not the most effective strategy for muscle growth. It's better to think of them as supportive additions rather than the foundation of your protein intake. Moving up the ranking, we reach the mid-tier category. These protein sources are definitely better and can contribute to muscle growth, but they still aren't optimal on their own. This group includes foods like beans, lentils, chickpeas, tofu, tempeh, and peanut butter. These are especially common in vegetarian and vegan diets and provide more protein per serving compared to the lowest tier, along with important nutrients like fiber and iron. However, they still come with limitations that prevent them from being top-tier muscle-building options. One of the biggest challenges here is bioavailability, which refers to how efficiently your body can digest, absorb, and use the protein you consume. Plant-based proteins in this category are generally less bioavailable than animal-based proteins, meaning your body doesn't utilize them as effectively. In practical terms, this means you often need to eat more total protein from these sources to achieve the same muscle-building effect. Additionally, many of these mid-tier foods either lack one or more essential amino acids or contain them in lower amounts, which means you need to combine different protein sources, such as rice and beans, to create a complete amino acid profile. While this approach can absolutely work, it requires more planning and awareness compared to simply eating a complete protein source. That being said, these foods still play an important role in a well-rounded diet. They add variety, provide valuable nutrients, and can help you meet your overall protein needs when combined properly. But if your goal is to maximize muscle growth as efficiently as possible, they shouldn't be your primary protein sources. Instead, think of them as strong, supporting options. As we move into the high-tier category, this is where protein sources start to become significantly more effective for muscle building. These proteins are complete, highly bioavailable, and rich in the essential amino acids your body needs to grow and recover. This category includes foods like chicken breast, eggs, fish such as salmon and tuna, and dairy products like Greek yogurt. These are the foods that should make up the majority of your daily protein intake if you're serious about building muscle. Chicken breast, for example, is a staple in many muscle-building diets because it provides a high amount of protein with relatively low fat, making it ideal whether you're trying to gain muscle or stay lean. Eggs are another excellent choice, as they are one of the most bioavailable protein sources available, meaning your body can absorb and use them very efficiently. They also provide healthy fats and important micronutrients that support overall health. Fish, particularly fatty fish like salmon, offers high-quality protein along with omega-3 fatty acids, which can help reduce inflammation and support recovery after intense workouts. Tuna is another great option, delivering a high protein content with minimal fat, making it both convenient and effective. Greek yogurt stands out because it digests more slowly than many other protein sources, providing a steady release of amino acids over time. This can help keep your body in a muscle-building state for longer periods, especially when consumed between meals or before sleep. Overall, these high-tier protein sources check all the boxes. They are complete, efficient, widely available, and easy to include in your diet consistently. Finally, we reach the elite tier, the most powerful protein sources for maximizing muscle growth, recovery, and overall performance. This category includes whey protein, casein protein, and lean red meat. What makes these sources stand out is not just their protein content, but how strategically effective they are when used at the right times. Whey protein is often considered the gold standard, especially for post-workout nutrition. It digests rapidly, delivering amino acids to your muscles exactly when they need them most. After a workout, your muscles are in a highly receptive state, and whey protein takes full advantage of this by providing a fast and efficient supply of nutrients. It is also very high in leucine, making it extremely effective at stimulating muscle protein synthesis. Casein protein works differently by digesting slowly and releasing amino acids over several hours. This makes it ideal for periods when you won't be eating for a while, such as before going to sleep. By providing a steady supply of amino acids, casein helps prevent muscle breakdown and supports recovery overnight. Lean red meat is another elite option that is often underrated. In addition to being a complete and high-quality protein source, it naturally contains creatine, which supports strength and power, along with iron and B vitamins that are essential for energy production and performance. This makes it not just a protein source, but a comprehensive muscle-building food. When it comes to applying all of this, the key is balance and strategy. Focus on building your meals around high-quality whole food protein sources like chicken, eggs, fish, and dairy, as these should form the foundation of your diet. Then, use elite protein sources like whey and casein strategically to fill in the gaps, such as using whey after workouts and casein before bed. Plant-based proteins can still be included for variety and overall nutrition, but they shouldn't be your main muscle-building tools unless carefully planned. In terms of how much protein you need, a good guideline is around 1.6 to 2.2 grams per kilogram of body weight per day. It's also important to spread your protein intake across multiple meals throughout the day, rather than consuming it all at once. This helps maintain a steady supply of amino acids and keeps your body in a more consistent muscle-building state. Before finishing, it's important to avoid a few common mistakes, such as relying too heavily on protein shakes instead of whole foods, not eating enough total protein, ignoring meal timing, and assuming that all protein sources are equal, which they clearly are not. If you take one key idea from this video, let it be this. The type of protein you eat matters just as much as the amount. Choosing higher quality protein sources can make a significant difference in how quickly you build muscle, how well you recover, and how consistent your results are over time. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video so more people can benefit from it, and subscribe for more practical, no-nonsense advice on building muscle and optimizing your nutrition. And don't miss the next video, where we break down the best workout split for maximum muscle growth, because when you combine the right training with the right nutrition, that's when real progress happens. Until then, stay consistent, train hard, and make every meal count.